Welcome to another video with Invest with the Doctor. Today I'm going to be talking about a stock called Roblox. The ticker for it is RBLX. If you don't know, my name is Dr. Hyder. I make these videos to show you some of the stocks that I'm investing in myself. And if I feel that they are good stocks where you can park your money, I make the videos so that people can be aware of these stocks themselves. I work as a doctor during the day, and during the night I am an investor and a trader, and I usually invest in stocks, and I make regular posts on X, on Trading 212, on YouTube, TikTok videos about finance and investing, mainly sort of picking up growth stocks, which I love because they have a lot of momentum and your money can increase quite quickly. So today I'm talking about this stock called Roblox. It's a stock that I've been in recently, in and out, but I think it's one of those stocks that I was hoping the price would come down for me to talk about it before, but it just doesn't seem to be the case. Now, Roblox is an online platform and a game creation system that allows users to play games created by others and to create and share their own games using the platform's tools. It's got a user-generated games engine, and all games on Roblox are made by users using Roblox Studio, a game development environment built into the platform itself. The games are of a lot of variety. They can be obstacle courses, role-playing games, and shooters, etc. Roblox itself has got a community of 85 million daily active users, and usually young demographic, and they're usually people who are fairly sort of evenly distributed across the major continents, meaning it's already an established and it's an established brand, and it's got a sort of people quite engaged in the platform itself. Roblox users base has been slowly shifting to an older demographics compared with the pre-teen core of users, and this results in sort of more money being spent in sort of in the market itself. Now, like I said, they mainly make different kind of games, and I'll show you a YouTube video that shows there's been a popular movie out recently called How to Train Your Dragon, and if you see, I'll show you a small YouTube clip from it.
As bad as we think they are. How to Train Your Dragon is now on Roblox.
Be the first to capture, bond, train, and fly your very own dragon.
How to Train Your Dragon.
Now on Roblox.
And in theaters June 13th.
Hello, Dragon.
So you can see these were sort of the games that were made on Roblox itself. So this is the daily chart for the stock itself. At the time of making this video, the price is hovering around 184 US dollars. As you can see, the stock, this is the daily chart itself, and look at how the stock has been just rising like crazy. These are daily candles, and as you can see, every day the stock price has had very little pullback. So you just see small red candles in between, but mainly they're green candles and all the way up. The moving averages, which I look at, is 21-day is above the 50-day, which is above the 200-day. It's quite a run that the stock has been having. So I was thinking of making a video where I would mention what would be a good price for this stock to get into. But as you can see, every day the price has just been going up and up and up and up, and doesn't seem to be sort of stalling anywhere. There was a small base here for a few days, but then it started climbing up again. So it didn't really give me a chance for me to say, well, okay, you can start from here. It's just been sort of going crazy upwards. So I just thought, okay, I might as well just make a video because this price doesn't seem to be stopping. Now, this, as I mentioned, is the daily chart itself. Now let's have a look at the weekly chart. So these are sort of weekly candles. Again, they are sort of following a clear trend line. So if I draw a trend line from here, you can see how these are weekly candles, and you can see how they've sort of been going up, sort of following this trend line itself. What I would say is, I still think it's quite likely the price can climb to around 125 in the coming few days and weeks, because the stock itself, as you can see, has got clear momentum. This is on the weekly. Again, blue sloping upwards, red sloping upwards, and to some extent the what do you call it, the 200 week as well, the green one. But you could clearly see it on the daily, and this tells me that the price is likely to continue the upward momentum. Now the only thing going against it is it's a bit overbought, as you can see here on the RSI itself. So this is telling me that the price might stall at some stage. If you find a pullback of 10 to 15%, that would be an ideal time to get into stock. So what you could do is either you could wait for 10 to 15% pullback and get into the stock, or you could buy a smaller amount now and just let it run with the momentum. That's what I have done. So I bought the stock at around price of $80, and it's just been rising. I was waiting for the pullback, never got it, but it's got such a great momentum that I feel that there might be sort of a pullback at some stage, but I don't know when that would be. So option number one, wait for 10 to 15% pullback, then get into the stock, or you can get into the stock now with a smaller amount and just let it run. So this is the stock that I was talking about. It's called Roblox, ticker RBLX. Hope you found this video useful, and as always, thanks for watching.